Zodiac signs, water sign edition. I'm not sure if it's still Pisces month. I'm still gonna do water signs because I just feel like it because I'm a water sign. So you already guessed it. I'm gonna do a series. I'm starting with water signs, which is Pisces, Cancers, and Scorpios. I saw this trend on TikTok. People do this with like a lot of things. They do it with teachers, they do it with movie characters. People are so obsessed with zodiac signs, like don't even get me started. If you know me from my Instagram, I make fun of people who think that their sun sign is actually, you know, like their main personality trait. It's just, I'm just gonna say it right now before I even start. Stop making your sun sign your main personality trait. Thank you. There is a whole fucking chart with a bunch of planets that just make you who you are. So if you think that your sun sign is what makes you, you're wrong, okay? A lot of people try to guess my sign in the comment section. A lot of people do that, and I usually don't respond because they seem so sure and I don't want to disappoint them. I'm sorry to burst your bubble. Anyone who thought that it was, I don't know, like a Gemini or like Taurus, some people thought that I was a Leo. I'm a Cancer. Shocker, I know. I know that a lot of people are gonna be like, I knew it, because that's how it works. I don't know why people think that it's a competition and they need to guess it right. My sun sign is Cancer, my moon sign and my ascendant are Scorpio. Are you gonna block me now? I'm sure that a lot of people are disappointed at this point. So I'll have two different outfits for each zodiac sign. I'll have a casual outfit and I'll have a fancy outfit. My therapist told me that I should always come first. I should be selfish sometimes. That's what I'm doing right now. This is my channel and I'm gonna start with my sign. All right, so this is my casual Cancer outfit. I am a Cancer, so you can't really debate with me on this topic, okay? If I want to die in one outfit, because that's going to be the outfit that I'm going to be wearing forever as a ghost, it's going to be this one, okay? Like, I want to be cozy as a ghost. I want to feel comfortable. I have like a bloated stomach because I'm on my period. So if you see me just like saying a lot of things, it's probably because of that. Cancers are known for being homebodies, like they don't want to leave the house. I swear to God, like when people invite me to go to their house, it's like a nightmare. Like I would do anything, manipulate you, do anything in my power to convince you to come to my place, because at the end of the day, when we're exhausted, I want you to leave. I don't want to do the work. I don't want to take a cab and go home because that's just too much work. And first of all, I'm a Cancer, so obviously my house is the coziest, it's the most fun, it's the most prepared for any type of activity we're gonna do. I have board games, I have drinks, I have food. Usually people would think that Cancers are these people who just cry in their white or pink robes with their glass of wine. That is not the case, honey. We are people who are just pretty fucking chill, and most of the time we don't really give a shit about your emotions. If we are not a close friend, and trust me, us Cancers, we don't make a lot of friends. I don't give a fuck about your personal trauma. Like, I don't want to hear about your problems. I'm not trying to solve your problems. Like, we don't want to hear about your problems. I'm sorry to say it this way, but like, we really genuinely don't care, because we have enough emotions and we can't really deal with anyone else's emotion unless you are a very close friend. People would think that we're these emotional crybabies. We don't actually cry a lot unless it's like a very sad movie, then we're gonna be the first ones crying. All right, so this is what a Cancer would wear in a non-casual event, a fancy cute restaurant or anything like that. Not clubbing, because you will never catch a Cancer clubbing. They would go for like a wine tasting or anything like that, you know, like something that does not require a lot of sweating, a lot of moving. These colors represent the soft side of a Cancer. If I love you, I would literally just kill people for you. I would never allow anyone to talk shit about you. I would defend you as I'm defending myself. The type of outfit that is very fun and flirty but not so inviting, like I am in my corner minding my own business looking fly as fuck, but that's not me inviting you to come and talk to me about your personal trauma. All right, so next up we have Scorpios. Listen, Scorpios, you either hate them or you love them. There is no in between. I know that a lot of people don't fuck with Scorpios. I had this like idea about Scorpios that they're very like dominant, they're very selfish and just suck the energy of the room when they're there, because they just want to be talking about themselves all the time. They have like this very strong personality that could be very suffocating for other people, until I actually asked my mom about the time of my birth. Then I realized that my ascendant and my moon sign both are Scorpio. All right, so this is how I see a Scorpio in a casual outfit. I know it's not that casual, but it is very comfortable. And when you think about Scorpios, most of the time people would consider them like these goth type of people. But in reality, they're like a mix of everything. I'm wearing black and I'm wearing this chain, but at the same time, I'm keeping the look feminine. I'm keeping it cute. It's like a dark cute, you know, it's not like a cute that you could just take for granted. If Scorpios like you and you like them, they'll go to the end of the world with you. If a Scorpio considers you their best friend, they could literally help you commit a crime. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to expose that part of Scorpios, but that's their personality. In this outfit, I do look like I would commit a crime for my best friend. Scorpios can be very intimidating for some people, and that's why the majority of people don't really get close to them. A Scorpio would snap back using things that you are very insecure about, because they just know how to read people. The most sensitive signs are actually the ones that are really, really hard to deal with when you piss them off. That's their way to defend themselves. I remember once I was just walking downtown with this girl, and then she said, "Hey, let's get tattoos." And I was like, okay. And I ended up getting a tattoo and she didn't. No, but on a serious note, if you actually talk like that, don't fucking talk to me. I don't want to be your friend. And I don't want to, no. This is the fancy outfit that a Scorpio would wear. No one could rock that type of tacky except for Scorpios. I don't know how to explain it. Obviously, this outfit is very sexy. It screams confidence. It screams, look at my shoulders. It's very flirty. Kind of the opposite of goth. This is very glam, very luxurious. This is what the evil, gorgeous bitch would wear in a telenovela. Scorpios are very extra without being very extra. And if you're not understanding what I'm saying right now, if you're not actually grasping the idea that I'm trying to give you here, exactly, that's the point. All right, the next one is Pisces. Now, I know that Pisces get a lot of hate. I know that. And I'm not gonna say anything offensive because I know that they take everything personally, so I'm not gonna go there. Like, I don't want to make you cry, okay? This outfit screams, I'm spiritual, I'm a dreamer, I'm an artist, you know, I have like outer body experiences, so many talents. I can sing, I can paint, I can do whatever the fuck you want. Actually, my girl Rihanna is Pisces, in case you forgot that. So that girl is badass. When you look at her, you're like, wow, like I want to be her, or at least her friend. This outfit gives me modern hippie vibes. I know that Pisces are daydreamers, like completely lost in another dimension. Like I would never understand where these people go, but they go somewhere, they go places. And also I wore this on my head like this because I wanted to give this outfit some psychic medium type of vibe, because these bitches be clairvoyant or something like that. They freak me out, but they just know the future. I'm almost convinced that these people do have superpowers. All right, so this is my idea of Pisces in a very fancy event. The reason why I dress my Pisces like this is because they are drama queens, okay? I personally think that this is one of the best outfits of this video. So Pisces, if you're gonna get offended, just think about the fact that I gave you the best fits. I also decided to wear this fluffy dress because it kind of looks like a cloud, and Pisces are dreamers, as I said, and they're always in a cloud. And as I said before, Rihanna is a Pisces, and that bitch always steals the show, okay? Like wherever she goes, like the Met Gala, she's always stealing the attention from everyone else. I'm not really sure if that's a trait that Pisces have, but I'm just gonna say that they do based on Rihanna. That was it for today's video. Those were the 3 signs. Don't worry, I'll do all of them. I just didn't want to put all of them in one video because it's just gonna take me forever. Well, I hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next Sunday. Bye!